We all know that eating a lot of ultra-processed foods isn't great for our health, but ultra-processed foods like these are so convenient, it's easy to rely on them when you don't have the time or the energy to make something better. This is one of the biggest barriers I see to eating healthier. So how can we eliminate this barrier? Having simple but satisfying go-to recipes that you can put together with ease is key. Here is my recipe for the best tuna salad you've ever had, made in 10 minutes or less. Let's get to it. I'm using tuna packed in olive oil, but use whatever kind of tuna you like. I've already drained the oil from the tuna, and I'm using 2 5-ounce cans today. I like to make enough for some leftovers because this is one of those recipes that tastes even better the next day. And even though this recipe is super fast and easy, if I'm taking the time to put it together, I may as well make more for later. Now for the veggies. The veggies are going to add tons of flavor, freshness, and crunch. I'm adding 2 medium-sized celery stalks, finely chopped, about 1/3 cup. I'm also adding a few of the celery leaves, finely chopped. The great thing about this type of recipe is nothing needs to be exact, and you can really customize it to your liking. This is the way I like tuna salad, but you can make substitutions, omissions, or additions. Next, I'm adding about 1/4 of a cup of shredded carrot. It's recommended to eat about 3 cups of veggies every day, so I like to try to incorporate them whenever I can. Different types of veggies contain various amounts of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Eating a variety of veggies every day helps to ensure that we're meeting our nutrient needs. But also, the variety of colors and textures that vegetables provide create flavor and visually appealing meals. I love onion in tuna salad. I'm adding a heaping 1/4 cup finely diced onion. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of capers with some of its juice, which is going to add a wonderful salty brininess to this recipe. And then I'm going to add a generous amount of black pepper. The one ingredient that I think makes this tuna salad so amazing is balsamic vinegar. I am adding about 2 tablespoons. The acidity of the vinegar cuts through any fishy flavor from the tuna, and it adds a sweetness and a depth of flavor that's just amazing. Then I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I like to add a conservative amount to start, give it a mix, then if you feel like it needs a little more, you can always do so. I have a ton of avocados that are going to start to go bad soon, so I'm going to add 1 small diced avocado. Nutritionally, avocado adds monounsaturated fat and fiber. Give it a taste and you can add some salt if needed. I'm not going to because I think the saltiness of the capers had made it just right for my taste. I'm going to scoop the tuna salad into a few romaine lettuce leaves. It's the perfect meal on a hot summer day. This tuna is also great as a sandwich or a wrap, or scooped onto a salad, or eaten straight out of the bowl. Tuna is a great source of protein, containing about 7 grams of protein per ounce. In this 5-ounce can of tuna that I'm using today, there are 31 grams of protein. Protein helps us to keep full and satisfied after a meal, and adequate intake is essential to maintain and/or build muscle mass. Let me know in the comments what your favorite easy to prepare meal is when you want to eat healthy but you don't really want to spend the time cooking. As always, wishing you health and happiness. Aloha.